Simple email marketing ideas anyone can use. Marketing your business is a big job. You need to have techniques and methods that allow you to target your customers and clients in a way that fires them up for what you have to offer. Email marketing can be an excellent tool for your marketing strategy if you know how to use it. Here are some good tips to get you going. Always get permission. Unsolicited email is not welcome, and in certain cases, can get your ISP blocked. When contacting someone, always include a newsletter or an offer, this way the customer has the chance to agree to receive your messages. The last thing you want is to be branded a spammer. Continue offering incentives to customers after they sign up for your email list. For example, give customers a 10% discount if they remain on your email list for a month. This keeps customers from losing interest in your marketing materials and unsubscribing or deleting your emails after just a couple of newsletters. Learn as much as you can, from a variety of sources, to become a master of email marketing. You may find many books online and in libraries. You may also be able to find local seminars or workshops to attend. Pay attention to the classifieds and bulletin boards. Practice consistency. Ensure that you're always utilizing the same colors and logo of the company within your email. Always choose a font that is easy to read, even on a mobile device. By doing this, you begin to create brand recognition, and customers will look forward to your next message. It's important for any business to have familiarity. The same holds true for email marketing. Let your readers choose the layout of your content. Any messages with images, graphics and JavaScript is likely to get eaten by software filters and never seen by human eyes. Send out basic text or rich text format including a link to your website, and the option of an HTML version for those that want it. Avoid using a lot of graphics in your emails. Some email servers block graphics, so avoid graphics to get your message across more effectively. Besides that, spam filters are more apt to sort your emails as junk mail if they contain lots of graphics. For your email marketing campaigns to be truly effective, every message needs a clear call to action. For example, if you are promoting a new product, then you should encourage customers to go directly to that product's page. On the other hand, if you are promoting a new sale, then you should clearly explain how customers can take advantage of that sale. In addition to using email marketing, incorporate SMS marketing into your campaign. Have customers sign up for an SMS option and send them text messages when on the go. When these two methods are used together, you have a better chance of getting more customers to sign up for your product. Email marketing can be a great opportunity to reach your clients and customers. If you implement the tips that this video has given you, you are likely to notice that your target market is more satisfied. Use the tips here to create a solid email marketing plan that ultimately raises your profits. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.